A very good morning, students. I am Adesh with my subject Accountancy, Chapter 2 Partnership Fundamental, and the topic Profit and Loss Appropriations Account. Okay, so are you able to see the problem I have written on a paper? So, this is a question today which we are going to solve. So, I was teach you in last videos how can we prepare the profit and loss appropriations account. Okay, only little bit, only 2-3 transaction we were recorded in profit and loss appropriations account, but sometimes CBSE can ask the journal entries also related to profit and loss appropriations account or partners capital account or partners current account. So for that, many of the students waste too much time first to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and then they pass the journal entry. So in this question and this type of problem, how can we record journal entry directly from the question? Okay, so this is the problem which we are going to solve today's class. Okay, first let's see the question and then I will show you the format of profit and loss appropriations account, and you will be more clear after see the profit and loss appropriation account also. How can we prepare the journal entry? Only this is the first problem which we are going to pass journal entry with the help of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so simultaneously I will show you the format of profit and loss appropriations account when I am passing the journal entry related to each and every transaction. So let's see the question. The question is that the partnership deed provided that this line clear first to us means there is a partnership deed, no absence of partnership deed. Okay, whatever the agreement is given in this question, so all they have to fulfill. The means of partnership deed is this. Okay, so the partnership deed provided that Sonu was to be paid a salary of rupees 20,000 per month and Rajat a commission of 5% on turnover. Okay, here what we are confirmed from this question till now we have confirmed there is a person Sonu. So he is a partner who getting the salary of rupees 2000 per month. It should be underlined. Okay. And second one is Rajat, a partner who getting commission of 5% on turnover. He getting the commission of 5% on turnover. We have to confirm what is a turnover. Turnover means total sales during the year, or turnover what the goods they have received in their firm during the year and what they have output means what they have sold during the year. So that will be the turnover, and the other name of turnover is total sales. Okay, so here in this question we have to confirm the total sale also. Still we have to be confirm from this line Rajat is getting commission 5% on turnover only. Turnover may be given at last in the question. It also provided that interest on capital be allowed at the rate 8% per annum. Interest on capital also they are receiving at the rate 8% per annum. Interest on capital not for a particular partner. It is for all the partners. Okay, all the partners, those who have contributed capital, so all they will receive the interest on capital according to at the rate 8% per annum. Sonu withdraw rupees 20,000 on 1st December 2017. Date. It is important in this question, in every question of accountancy. Date is more important because Sonu withdraw rupees 20,000 of rupees on 1st December 2017. If a firm charge interest on drawing on Sonu's drawing, so the interest will charge from 1st December 2017 to for which year they are preparing the profit and loss appropriations account or their accounts. And Rajat withdraw rupees 5,000 at the end of each month. They did not say from which month Rajat has started to withdraw the amount from the firm. Okay, so only the information is that Rajat withdraw rupees 5,000 at the end of each month. It means at the end of every month he is getting 5,000 of rupees. So this 5,000 of rupees will calculate from the beginning of the year to the last date of the year. Okay, not for us, because date is not mentioned from which date he is started to withdraw the amount from the firm. That's why interest on drawing was charged at the rate 6% per annum. Interest on drawing according to at the rate 6% per annum. Okay, both the partners will pay interest on drawing to the firm. Okay, firm will receive interest on drawing from both the partners. The net profit as per profit and loss account, because profit and loss account, why we prepare to find or to calculate the net profit or net loss. It is clear? So according to profit and loss account, net profit is given in this question. What is that? The net profit as per profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. It means it is the closing date of the accounting. Okay, current year closing date, this is 31st March 2018, was rupees 4,89,950. Net profit is this. Okay, so according to profit and loss account, the net profit of the firm as on 31st March 2018 was rupees 4,89,950 rupees. Okay, the turnover of the firm, turnover is related to the commissions of Rajat. Okay, Rajat was getting the commission on turnover at the rate 5%. So the turnover of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2018 amounted to rupees 2 lakh. Okay, here is no time duration, no per annum, no per month, any information is given with this percentage. So only with this amount we will calculate the 5% of commission which the firm will pay to the Rajat. It is clear to all? Next one. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of Sonu and Rajat. There are two partners. Okay. Both the transaction we have to transfer. We have to pass out. What they say? In the books of Sonu and Rajat, if we taking cumulative name of both the partners, so the cumulative name of both the partners will called firm, partnership firm. Are you getting this? So that's why I have written here journals in the books of the partnership firm. Okay, what is the journal entry will pass in the books of partnership firm, or we can write here in the books of Sonu and Rajat, because there are two partners and both the cumulative name of both the partners will call the firm. Okay, partnership firm, that will be the partner's name also. Okay, first what we have to do, according all the transactions are related to profit and loss appropriations account. So first, once again I am showing you the format of profit and loss appropriations account, by which you can understand and you can clear each and everything by that format. So let's see. This is the format of profit and loss appropriations account. Okay, first what we have to do, whatever the profit, whatever the loss is there, so that will be transferred, and if there is profit, so that is transferred to credit side in profit and loss appropriations account. First of all, what we have to find out in the problem, what problem we have read out. So first we have to find out there is profit, net profit or net loss in the question, then according to that we have to pass the journal entry. Okay, so what will be the journal entry? If there is profit and loss account, it means net profit. So according to this transaction, what journal entry will pass out? So journal entry will pass out profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriations account. Okay, if there is net loss, so this is also transferred from profit and loss account. So profit and loss appropriations account debit to profit and loss account. This is the debit side of profit and loss appropriations account, and this is the credit side of profit and loss appropriations account. According to these journal entry, profit and loss appropriations account will credit, and according to these journal entry, profit and loss appropriations account will debit. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to pass the journal entry related to the profit, which is 4,89,950. So what the journal entry we will pass, here is a serial number we can say, or we can write a date over here, then particulars, LF laser folio, then amount debit and amount credit. First journal entry. Okay, all the transactions are for complete year. No specific journal entry and no specific date is given for particular transaction. So we can write this sequence. So first, profit loss we have to transfer. So profit and loss, if there is net profit, so net profit will debit and profit and loss appropriations account will credit. So profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriations account. The amount is 4,89,950. 4,89,950. It is clear. Narration have we required. So narration, net profit is transferred to profit and loss appropriations account. Okay, so these journal entries narration you can write easily, because we have learned these narrations in 11th class. So that's why you can write narration yourself. If you feel any problem related to write any narration, so then we will discuss in doubt session, but there will no doubt, I am sure. Okay, profit loss is transfer. Now we are going to start from the beginning, because first we have to transfer the profit and loss. Then what we have to do, what we have to start from the beginning of the question. Sonu was to be paid a commission of rupees 20,000 per month. Sorry, salary of rupees 20,000 per month. So if Sonu is getting the salary, so what if the partner is receiving in cash, then related to cash journal entry will pass. If there is no information related to he is paid or not, so in that situation this salary will transfer to his capital account first and then he will receive. Okay, so first we have to transfer all the partner salary to partners in their capital account. Okay, so second journal entry related to this transaction: salary account debit, salary account debit, or we can write a partner salary. Salary account debit to whom we are paying? To Sonu. Sonu's capital account. Amount is 20,000 per month. Multiply by 12. So it means 20,000 per month multiply by 12. So 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Okay. The salary of Sonu, being salary of Sonu, is transferred to his capital account. Now this salary will also transfer to, in which account? Profit and loss appropriations account. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner's salary account. This is the partner salary. Okay, this salary will transfer to profit and loss appropriations account. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Okay, according to this you can clear more. Partner salary. So according to this, what journal entry will pass with this account? Profit and loss appropriations account debit to partner salary. So this is the that journal entry. Okay, so Sonu salary is related journal entry we have passed out. Next, and Rajat a commission of rupees 5% on turnover. The fourth journal entry will pass related to commission. So here is partners commission account debit and to Rajat capital account. Okay, the amount will 5% of 20 lakh. ₹1,00,000. According to this, ₹1,00,000 we have to transfer in Rajat's capital account, and this partner's commission now will transfer to profit and loss appropriations account. So here profit and loss appropriations account debit to partners commission account. ₹1,00,000. ₹1,00,000. Okay. Next, related to Rajat commission journal entry, it also provide that interest on capital be allowed at the rate 8% per annum. Interest on capital, that is 8% per annum. There is any capital, we have to search in question. If there is capital, then we have to calculate interest on capital also. Sonu withdraw rupees 20,000 on 1st December 2017. So according to this, interest on drawing, on which side we have to show interest on drawing, that is in credit side of profit and loss appropriations account. It means profit and loss appropriations account is credited according to interest on drawings. Okay, so here partners will debit according to their, who's getting this, Sonu's capital account debit, and next one is Rajat's capital account debit, and 2 interest on drawings. Okay, so amount I am calculating on a rough page, so you see interest on drawing for Sonu, his withdrawal 20,000 of rupees. So 20,000 of rupees he withdrawal on 1st December to 31st March 2018. There will be 4 months, so 4 upon 12, and the rate of interest is 6% per annum. Okay, so interest on drawing according to 6% per annum. So multiply 6 by 100. 400 rupees for Sonu. So 400 rupees for Sonu, we have to write this side. If we calculating for Rajat, so I have to prepare one format related to Rajat interest on drawing, because he is withdrawing 5,000 at the end of each month. So that's why according to format you can understand more clearly. So I am preparing that format. Yes, this is a rough format I have prepared for the calculation. Date in means, it means in which date he is, on which date he is withdrawing the amount. So he started from the beginning of the year. So year was started from 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. So it means from this month he started to withdraw. So the end of this month, what will be the date? 30 April. Okay, so 30 April will be the last date of this month. So he started from this date to withdraw the amount. So first 30 April 2017. Okay, he withdrew 5,000 of rupees. If according to this date, we calculating the months from this date to this one, so the 11th month will calculated. Okay, because 1st May, because complete April has have gone, complete month of April has gone, because on 30 April the first withdrawal he has done. So that's why from this date to 31st March 2018 there will be 11 months. So we will write here, and then he will withdraw on 1st May 2017, because every last date of the month he is withdrawing. So he will withdraw 5,000 of rupees. Similarly, he withdraw 30 June 5,000 rupees. So from this date to what will be the total months? 10, then 9, 31st July 5,000 and 8, 31st August 5,000 and 7, 30 September 5,000 and 6. Similarly, this type we will calculate for all the months. This is a complete format, you can see. I had written all the dates on which Rajat has withdrawn the amount, and 5,000 in each installment, and according to months I have written. These months are calculated from withdrawal to the last date of the year. Okay, from first withdrawal there will be 11 months, and second to 10. That's why it is a months I have written. And then this is the product. Product means multiply amount with the time duration. So I have multiplied 5,000 to 10, 50,000, 5,000 with 9, 45,000, and then I have total all the amounts which I have written in the product column. So there is the amount is 3,30,000. Okay, so now we have to calculate interest on drawing on this amount for the Rajat. Okay, so what will be the calculation will there? So we will calculate the calculation of amount interest on drawing IOD for Rajat. It is 3,30,000 multiply 1 by 12, because all the months we have calculated here. So that's why we will calculate according to 1 by 12. Okay, for each amount we have multiplied with the month in this format. So now here we will take as a 1 month for every amount. So total amount is this after the production, and then 1 upon 12, and the rate of interest is 6%. Okay, so then 6 to 21650, 1,650 rupees will be the IOD for Rajat at the last. Okay, so now this amount we have to pass in the journal entry. We have to record in journal entry this one. So the amount of interest on drawing for Rajat 1,650, and the total amount is 2,050 rupees. Okay, this IOD is now transferred to profit and loss appropriations account. So interest on drawing account debit to profit and loss appropriations account. The amount is 2,050 rupees and 2,050 rupees. Okay, now interest on drawing was charged at 6% per annum. We have calculated the net profit as per the profit and loss account for the year. It means all the transaction we have passed out related to the given information in this question. But once again I am moving to profit and loss appropriations account. Why? Because one thing is still left. What is the important and students left to pass the journal entry in the books? So here you can see, if there is net profit, we passed out interest on drawing, we passed out this reserve, we passed out interest on partners, we have interest on partners capital, partner salary, partner commission, all the journal entry we have passed out. But in journal entry, one thing we always forget to record in the books. What is that? This balance. Why it is so? Because according to journal entry we did not calculate amount for this balance. That's why this is left. So now what we have to do? According to these journal entry, where is the profit and loss appropriations account is credited and where is the profit and loss account appropriation is debited. Okay, according to this, according to this we have to calculate a debit and credit balance separately, and then what will be the balance? Then that balance journal entry we have to pass in the books, and that balance is transferred to partners capital account also. So if we calculating this, so there will be final balance of rupees 40,000. Okay, the balance will 40,000. So now the journal entry will pass according to profit and loss appropriation account. So there is a profit 4,89,000. There is profit 4,89,950. So obvious profit will be there because no expenses too much related to this net profit. Okay, here is 2,40,000, 1,00,000, 3,40,000 is total, and this is the interest on drawing which is transferred to credit side. So that's why the profit will comes. Okay, so if we're totaling debit and credit side balances, so debit balance, debit and credit balance, there is profit and loss appropriations account is credit, so 4,89,950, it is a profit. It is a rough work, only we have to find the balance, that's why I am doing the working note here. So again, profit and loss appropriations account is debit with amount of 2,40,000. 2,40,000 you can see here. And next, profit and loss appropriations account is also debit with one amount of 1,00,000, 1,00,000 rupees. And then next, profit and loss appropriations account is credited with 2,050 rupees. If I totaling this, so 0, 0, 0, carry 1, 2, carry 1, 9, 4, 4,92,000. If I am totaling this, so it is 3,40,000. Okay. This is the calculation, and we have find the profit balance here. The total 4,92,000, and this total is 3,40,000. And according to this, the total is this more comparison to this one. Credit side balance is more. So if we are subtracting from the credit side to debit side, the balance will left 1,52,000, and this 1,52,000 will distribute among the partner in which ratio? What is the given in the question? Okay, but if the ratio is not given in the question, so according to that, what ratio you will use and according to which ratio you will distribute the profit. There is no any ratio is given in this question. So what we have to do? We have to distribute this profit to partners in equal ratio. It means equal ratio means half amount will distribute to both the